my family. Hi there! Welcome to my home. Let me introduce you to my family and pets. I have a beautiful family of 10. My pets are my favorite animal friends. She is my mom, beautiful and calm. When I am sick, she kisses my palm. He is my dad, strong and dear. When we are down, he brings us all tea. Meet my brother Matt, our baby boy. He loves fruit salad and he loves his toys. This is my granddad with the big mustache. He takes us to the pool and we make a big splash. This is my granny, she loves to bake. Matt and I enjoy her chocolate cake. These are my pets, Katie and Bunny. Matt loves to play with them when it's sunny. Bruno by the snow and Charlie the chilies. Come have fun with us and let's get silly. I love my family, I love all my pets. Come sing with us, it's as good as it gets. Row, row, row your boat.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Farmer in the dell! Farmer in the dell! The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho the dell. child takes the cow, the child takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the cow. The cow takes the pig, the cow takes the pig. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the pig. The pig takes the dog, the pig takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the pig takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes a mouse, the cat takes a mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes a mouse.
as fast as you can. Please. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me your cake as fast as you can. Mix it and stir it and bake it just right. Good from the first to the very last bite. Write his name with lots of care and top with candies here and there. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me your cake as fast as you can. Prick it and price it and mark it with M. And put it in the oven for baby and me. And put it in the oven for baby and me. And put it in the oven for baby and me.
Here we go round.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we clean our teeth, clean our teeth, clean our teeth. This is the way we clean our teeth on a cold and frosty morning.
Accessory used to clean our teeth. Tongue cleaner? No. Gum massager? No. Toothbrush? Yes.
This is the way we clean our teeth, clean our teeth, clean our teeth. This is the way we clean our teeth on a cold and frosty morning.
This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands on a cold and frosty morning. When do we wash our hands? Before and after meal? Yes. After outdoor games? Yes. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes on a cold and frosty morning.
This is the way we brush our hair, brush our hair, brush our hair. This is the way we brush our hair on a cold and frosty morning.
What should be used to comb our hair? Scissors? No. Hair dryer? No. Comb? Yes.
This is the way we brush our hair, brush our hair, brush our hair. This is the way we brush our hair on a cold